happened?
Deposit additional money for the selected watch. Bill accepted. Please deposit additional money for the bill accepted. Bill accepted. Please deposit additional money for the selected watch. Bill accepted. Thank you. For an upgrade, please deposit additional money. Please select watch by... If your vehicle has a bug deflector, please press the pound key. Thank you. Please drive into the watch slowly.
Close your window.
When the stop sign lights up.
If your vehicle has a bug deflector, please. So where do I go?
Go inside. Ah! Where do we stop? Here? There, stop. We're in the car wash. Babe, say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Oh, this looks so scary. Should I put it over there? Huh?
Oh, the radiator was tired. Should I just go to like an auto place and tell them to fix it?
Yeah.
Look if you have money.
I know, that's why. Oh, this looks so cool. Oh shit.
What's electric? We just put a new radiator.
Oh, it's moving. Are we moving?
No.
Are we moving? We are moving. Did we move? Oh, it feels like we're moving.
Why is it like that now?
What?
Radiator.
Oh shit. Ever since we took this out, does this matter? Oh. Slowly. Oh, that looks so cool. It looks like
Slowly drive through?
slowly. Wait till it dries.
Does it say
Forward. You have to wait because it has to dry, that's why.
Hey, wow, it went down ever since that.
I think it's because that, y'all.
Yeah, see, it's going down. Look. Look, 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 look.
I can't even see it.
Look, you can see it going down.
Yeah.
Should I just check it even though?
Yeah, just have them check it.
Yeah.
Is it gonna still cost?
Okay, I still have money. Is there 76 around here? I have to get one.
Yeah. It's only right, isn't it right there?
76 was like 10 and past it.
What is it?
No. The 10 seconds.
It's like, is it what?
Time.
Where does it say that? Oh. drive, okay. Back.
Alright.
Oh, you have to go slow, babe.
Just leave it. I don't care.
Okay, we're done. Bye.
Oh, we'll check.
Say bye.
Bye.